Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Mr. Bean in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, let's head over and add in here a few elements. Let's add water right here and let's add fire to that. Now we have steam. For this steam, let's add water and we have cloud. For this cloud, let's add in here fire and then let's add in here wind. Now we have smoke. So merge smoke with cloud, now we have fog. So for this right here, let's head over and smooth it aside, then put in the earth and water and merge that. Now we have plant. Put fog on the plant. Now we have mushroom. So since we have mushroom, let's put in here water. Now we have soup. Now next thing we need to do is we need to add fog right here. Then we have in here tea. So let's put in here plant and plant. Now we have tree. Then let's add in here water. Now we have river. So for this, let's add in here another tree. Now we have paper. Let's add in here another paper. Now we have book. So for this book right here, let's add in here earth. And then let's add in here river. And then merge that. Now we have delta. So merge the book with the delta. We have alphabet. And next thing we need to do is put that aside for now. Now let's add wind right here and earth and merge that. Now we have dust. So for this, let's add another earth. And now we have planet. So for this planet, put that aside for now. Let's add in here fire, then merge that. We have sun. Let's add another sun. Now we have sunflower. So for the sunflower right here, let's add in here alphabet. Now we have A. So let's add in here fire, and then merge that. Now we have B. So let's put the P on the B. Now we have bean. So let's put that aside for now. And then let's add in here fire and sun and merge that. Now we have solar. Now on the solar, let's add in here a planet. And now we have system. So for this system right here, let's add in here another fire. Now we have computer. So let's put it aside and let's add in here a dust and another dust. Now we have sand. So for this sand, let's add in here fire and then merge that. Now we have glass. Put the computer in glass. Now we have screen. And then add another screen to the screen. Now we have TV. So let's put in here earth. And then on this earth, let's add another earth. Now we have mountain. So for this mountain, let's add in here a glass. Now we have crystal. So in this crystal right here, merge that with TV. Now we have TV show. Let's put bean and put them together and merge them. Now we have Mr. Bean. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, send video like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.